Disassembly and installation of the front fork. Remove the battery. First, loosen the bolts on both sides, then remove the clamping bolt. Loosen the screws on the upper front shock mounting plate and the tube mounting screw. Pull the grip upward to remove it. Remove the spacer. Remove the upper front shock mounting plate. Disconnect the front light wiring. Loosen the mounting screws on both sides of the headlight bracket. Pull upward to remove the headlight. Remove the front brake hose retaining clip. Remove the front caliper mounting bolts. Remove the front brake caliper mounting bracket. Remove the front wheel fixing screws and take off the front wheel. Remove the spacer. Remove the front fork from the frame. Remove the tapered bearing. Prepare the front fork installation components. Loosen the screws on the upper front shock mounting plate and the tube mounting screw. Remove the upper front shock mounting plate. Install the tapered bearing with the flat side facing downward. Install the front fork onto the frame. Install the front wheel. Tighten the front wheel fixing screws. First, install 2 bolts without fully tightening them to prevent the bracket from being misaligned. Tighten the upper short bolt first, then remove the long bolt. Install the brake caliper. Tighten the fixing screws. Install the front brake hose retaining clip. Install the conical axle tube spacer, compress it, and ensure the axle tube is centered. Install the bearing top cap. Then install the spacer. Install the headlight. Connect the front light cable. Insert the handlebar stem through the front fork. Install the front suspension mounting plate, but do not tighten the screws yet. Install the spacer, then install the handlebar. Install the bearing preload bolt. Align the handlebar in the correct direction, then tighten the bolt. Tighten the bolts on both sides of the stem. Tighten the suspension mounting plate screws. Tighten the headlight bracket mounting screws. Install the battery.